I'm back. In this video I'll be solving Leetcode problem 9, palindrome number. Given an integer x, return true if x is a palindrome and false otherwise. So 1 to 1, that's palindrome, minus 1 to 1, that's not palindrome, then that's not palindrome, and so on. And can you solve it without converting the integer to a string? Okay, let's first... So converting integer to a string is pretty, I suppose, easy. We would just have to determine the length, and then until half of the length we append. So until the midpoint we add, and from midpoint on we push, and from midpoint on we pop from the stack. And now if everything is same and stack is empty, we did it. So yeah, but let's do the follow-up. Can we solve it without converting the integer to a string? So how to do this? It's essentially the same thing. We just have to have different kind of like pointers or whatever. So, or yeah, we could use pointers for the other one. But for this one, we'll first have to determine how many digits we have. So digits first will be let's first say we have 0 digits, and while x divided by 10 to the digits, while this is not equal 0, and just increase. But before this, we can also say if x is less than 0 for the negative numbers. So let's say we have 1. We have 1, x is equal to 1 divided by 1. That's 1, so this is true, and we'll get 1 digit. Then 1 divided by 10, that's 0, that's it. So now we have number of digits, and we can say first is equal 0 and return true like here. And what are we trying to do now? So while first either first is, if they're the same, they're the same. So if first is less than, I think this is good enough. So if first is less than this one, I have to compute the numbers. So n1 is x divided by 10 to the first, everything modulo 10 just to get the last digit, and n2 is essentially same thing but with digs. And if n1 is not equal n2, return false, and other way we just increase one, decrease the other one. Something like this. Let's try to run it. So Okay, let's just print first index 2. I think we're off by 1 or something. What? X divided by 1 is 121 modulo 10 is 1. X divided by, what is it, 3? Shouldn't be 3. This is a problem. Why it's 3? So first it's 0. We divide by, okay, yeah, it's 1. So we just have to be careful because it has 3 digits, but that's actually 10 squared. So that was a problem. And it works. Remove this print. So, yeah. What's the time complexity? I suppose of n. Let me think about it. So time complexity, first we do this, and this is log x, because log x operations, and this is I suppose log. I decrease both of them. I would say log, but yeah, I would say log. Yeah, correct. Of log n. Actually, log x. That's true. And this is of 1. Okay, so yeah. I'm not sure if there is better solution, but this should be good enough. So yeah. If you have any questions, leave them in comments. Thank you for following this one, and see you in the next one.